चलिए जी, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर देखना क्या बोलते हैं भैया, पॉलिटिक्स एंड पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी पर ध्यान देना। तो ये क्या लिखते हैं कि पॉलिटिक्स इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड इनसेपरेबल पार्ट ऑफ एनी सोसाइटी, ठीक है, विच कैन ऑल्सो बी एड्रेस्ड बाय पीपल सर्विस, ओ सॉरी पब्लिक सर्विस, ठीक है। पॉलिटिक्स इन इट्स ब्रॉडेस्ट सेंस इज द एक्टिविटी थ्रू विच पीपल मेक, preserve and amend the general rule under which they live, ठीक है। In the other hand, इन लिखा हुआ, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ on the other hand, political theory reflects the systematic form of ideas and policies from which our social life, government and constitution have been shaped. Also, the main objective of political theory is to train citizens to think logically about political questions and to have proper evaluate contemporary political developments, ठीक है। फिर नेक्स्ट है नीड फॉर पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम। अ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इज वन दैट एंश्योर द मेंटेनिंग ऑफ ऑर्डर एंड rationality in the society and at the same time makes it possible for some other institutions to also have their grievances and complaints put across in the courts of social existence. At present, at present, the role of political system has increased considerably. With increasing population, many new challenges have also emerged. The need for judicial procedure in the making of formal laws and in case of disputes over laws is becoming more and more important. Today's political system is not just limited to enforcing the law, but it has taken the form of public welfare and it has become its responsibility to provide freedom, equality and justice to all sections of the society, ठीक है। As far as the political system in India is concerned, its need can be felt at several levels, such as the process of nation building is still going on in India, which can be harmed by anti national forces. A strong political system is essential to deal with such threats. There are many challenges in front of India's internal security, such as terrorism, Naxalism, separatism, etc. We cannot deal with these challenges unless we have a strong political structure. India is a welfare state that works to ensure inclusive development. Various socio-economic policies are implemented to support this goal. Many sections of society, such as women, children, backward caste, and minorities communities, have faced different forms of deprivations. To bring them into the mainstream, it is important to provide them with special support. For this, India needs a strong and well organized political structure. Various interest groups are living in India, between whom it is natural to have conflicts over their interest. There is a need for Parliament to make appropriate laws harmonize these interests, while a strong and settled judiciary is also necessary for judicial settlement of such disputes, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे ऑर्गन्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट।